Hi there, I'm Tanya, and if you're watching this, you're probably feeling overwhelmed about high school planning for your homeschooled teen. Trust me, I completely get it. As a military wife and homeschooling mom for over 20 years, I've heard the same questions from moms everywhere. Should my freshman be taking the SAT? When do I start thinking about college applications? What if my teen doesn't want to go to college? Am I ruining their future? The overwhelm is real, but here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. That's exactly why I created this 4-year high school planning checklist. This isn't just another generic list. It's a year-by-year breakdown of exactly what you need to focus on, when you need to focus on it, and how to adapt it for your teen's unique path. Whether your teen is headed to college, trade school, military service, entrepreneurship, the mission field, or they're still figuring it out, this checklist has you covered. I've taken everything I've learned from 20 years of homeschooling 6 kids who each took completely different paths, and I've organized it into a simple, step-by-step plan that removes the guesswork. Let's walk through what's inside. Freshman year, you're laying the foundation, setting up record keeping, beginning that official transcript, exploring your teen's interests. Notice, we're not talking about SATs yet. We're building habits and discovering passions. Sophomore year, exploration and preparation. PSAT for practice, researching graduation requirements, documenting leadership and service hours. Junior year, things get focused. Serious test prep, college or trade school visits, consider getting a job. This is your planning intensive year. And then senior year, execution time, applications, final testing, scholarships, big decisions. You're not scrambling, you're following the plan you've built. But here's what makes this different. It includes pathway-specific guidance for all options, not just college, because every teen's calling is unique. Here's what this checklist will do for you. First, it eliminates the overwhelm. Instead of wondering, what should I be doing? You'll know exactly what to focus on each year. Second, it prevents those late-night panic moments about missed deadlines. Third, it gives you confidence when other parents are stressed about high school planning. And finally, it helps prevent anxiety when your teen doesn't fit the traditional college mold. So here's what I want you to do. Click the link in the description below to go to my webpage at teachable.com. Download your free 4-year high school planning checklist right now. It's completely free, and you'll get immediate access. And if you want the complete step-by-step guidance for implementing every single item on this checklist, make sure to check out my comprehensive high school planning and beyond course. It's 15 lessons covering everything from how to pay for college to alternative career paths, including how AI will impact your teen's future job market. Your teen has a unique calling, and with intentional planning, they can launch into their future with confidence. Let me help you on this journey. You're launching something beautiful.